Hello, students, and welcome to this podcast on the chapter Combustion and Flame, Episode 1. You have studied about substances like coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, natural gas, etc., and these are collectively known as fuels. By burning a fuel, we obtain heat, often accompanied by light. We also know that some substances burn and some do not burn at all. Let us study the various types of combustion and types of flames produced during this process. A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen of air to give off heat and sometimes light is called combustion. Burning of magnesium and charcoal are examples of combustion since both on burning give heat and light. Substances that can burn easily to produce heat and light are called combustible substances, whereas the substances that do not burn are called non-combustible substances. Materials like cloth, wood stick, dry leaves, paper are combustible, while materials like iron nail, glass, stone, steel are non-combustible. Types of combustion. Depending upon the conditions under which combustion takes place, there are three types of combustion: slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Slow combustion. When a combustible substance burns at a slow rate, producing very little heat but no light, it is called slow combustion. For example, iron slowly combines with the oxygen and moisture present in the air to form rust. During the rusting of iron, the heat is released at such a slow rate that it is difficult to detect it, but no light is produced. Thus, the rusting of iron is an example of slow combustion. Rapid combustion. When a combustible substance burns at a rapid rate, producing a very large amount of heat and light in a short time, it is called a rapid combustion. Examples: burning of wax in a candle, burning of firecrackers, burning of magnesium. Spontaneous combustion. When a combustible substance burns on its own without the help of any external heat, it is called spontaneous combustion. Example: burning of white phosphorus, fire in coal mines, and forest fires are examples of spontaneous combustion. Explosion. When a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light, and sound. A large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such a reaction is called explosion. Conditions necessary for combustion. There are three conditions which are necessary for combustion to take place. These are the presence of a combustible substance. Secondly, the presence of a supporter of combustion. For all those substances that burn in air, oxygen is a supporter of combustion. A combustible substance will not burn in the absence of oxygen. Thirdly, attainment of ignition temperature of the combustible substance. Wood and coal are fuels, but they do not start burning on their own. They must be heated with the flame of a candle or Bunsen burner to a certain minimum temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire and starts burning is called its ignition temperature. The substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. LPG, kerosene, alcohol, paper, fabrics, straw, a splinter wood, etc. all have low ignition temperature. Even a combustible substance in the presence of oxygen will not catch fire if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. There's an activity in the textbook where you can heat water in a paper cup also. The paper cup will not burn because it will not reach its ignition temperature due to the presence of water. I hope you understand the concept of combustion and the conditions required for combustion. Thank you.